Euro against US dollar this week, we can see the price has reached an area around this support level of 1.05825. So the price has formed a bearish candle and then continued to fall down, and even more with these two small bearish candles, where the price has reached at the start of this demand zone and then retraced back up, reaching the first resistance level at 1.06736. From there, the price could not make a bullish breakout again, reaching higher price levels, so returning back inside this one. But the price on Thursday formed this bearish candle, and on a Friday the price returned back down all the way to start of this support level, this demand zone. On the weekly time frame, this is a small bullish candle formed here, very close to the support level, but this is also indication of this bearish breakout has been confirmed this week on the weekly time frame. Now on the monthly, we can see how this looks. A very important level for the price, this one here, where the price currently very close is 1.05624. Now we have 10 days until this month ends, 1.5 week, so we will need to see on the lower time frame how this looks, but for now the price looks as a bearish, and it looks as a bearish breakout, following to try to reach this one area, which is around 1.056 price level here visible. Now for the price, in order to return back up, the price needs to go above 1.07825, but as what it looks on the lower time frames like weekly and the daily, this doesn't look very friendly for the buys that the price could return above 1.07825. So this is likely to see the price going even more down, very close to 1.058, which is the next support level for the price, and we can see there is a possibility for the price to reach a lower side, which is 1.054, and also below that 1.050. Now on the weekly time frame, this is currently indication for me that the price could reach even more down, going down to 1.05825. So for that, on the daily time frame, what it looks right here, just let's zoom out a little bit. For me, this is just a confirmation of this previous acting as support, now acting as a resistance, and I am inclined to see the price going even more down around this area, 1.05825. Now in the past, we can see that this price level did not act as a great support, but this one here at 1.050 is a great support for the price. If the price goes above 1.06736, this will be indication of the bullish breakout, and there is a possibility that the price reaches an area very close here to the start of this supply zone, because we can see in the past how the price has behaved. For sure, this could be 1.074, the first price level that the price could reach after the price makes a bullish breakout. But if that happens, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders, if this bullish breakout happens or the price goes below this one. But for now, I am more inclined to see the price going even more down. The first and also the final level is this one, 1.050, but the first one is 1.058. So if there anything happens on the market inside the Telegram group, the traders will get a notification first. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.